Hello there, it's Wale Oladipo here. Understanding the ADHD brain. Do you know that attention deficit hyperactivity disorder is one of the most heritable developmental conditions? It runs in families. There's a genetic routing for it. Of course, we know that many people who have ADHD are treated differently because of the little or poor understanding of the condition as society. But what is even more damaging is the internalization or the frustration on the side of the individuals with ADHD. We blame ourselves for everything. Something must be wrong with me. I'm defective. I'm unlovable. It's all my fault. Of course, we have challenges because the ADHD brain is different from a neurotypical brain. But that does not mean that it is a disordered brain. It's a different brain that works differently. Unfortunately, the entire world, the entire civilized world, is constructed not with the neurotypical brain in mind. And that is why people with ADHD feel frustrated. Now, it is important to understand that you are not weird. You are not defective. The authentic self is never broken. You matter to this world. You matter to this world. What is important to understand is that the fact that your brain is different does not mean that it's broken. Absolutely correct. The best place to start is to start to embrace compassion. But compassion, by the way, is a function of right understanding. So invest in the understanding of ADHD. This is what we focus on. Check the link out at the top of this video and check our ADHD training. We have short sessions on the basic neuroscience of ADHD, or understanding and managing anxiety and ADHD. Anxiety coexists with ADHD a lot because of our internalization process and the way people treat us that could make us to have increased level of anxiety. But the most important thing to do is to focus on self-compassion. When you increase your understanding, you increase your self-compassion. So from today, start to focus on self-compassion. Speak to you soon.